In this modern automotive world, accurate car diagnosing is crucial for efficient car repairs, and having the right tools makes all the difference. Choosing the right OBD2 or a car diagnosing machine can be another challenge. Several brands with different models altogether. I have done my research, talked to some mechanics, and also looked at online reviews. I have finally settled on 4 diagnosing machines that will help you when it comes to reading codes, clearing codes, and doing programming. These 4 machines are not the most advanced, but they will definitely do the work for you at a cheaper cost. The first tool is Launch X431 V Pro Elite. This tool offers comprehensive diagnostics covering many car brands and models from Asia, Europe, America, Middle East, and Africa. It supports full system diagnostics including engine, transmission, ABS, and supplementary restraint system (SRS). With over 37 functions, this particular diagnostic machine provides advanced coding and programming capabilities, which includes bidirectional control, key programming, electronic control module coding (ECU), diesel particulate filter regeneration reset (DPF), and other functions. This tool is easy to use, has big screen, and will also show you live data. The next is Otel MaxiCOM MK808s. This is a versatile tool offering full diagnostics to many vehicles from Europe, Asia, America, Middle East, and Africa. It has 28 advanced functions like oil reset, electronic parking brake reset (EPB), steering angle sensor reset (SAS), diesel particulate filter reset (DPF), and brake management system reset (BMS). It provides bidirectional control, key programming, live data, and active tests. It also features sizable touchscreen and user-friendly interface. If you are planning to set up or upgrade your auto repair shop, I have set up packages that includes all modern tools and equipment you need to set up. I and my team in China ship them directly from China to your address. The next is Xtool D7. The Xtool D7 provides full system diagnosing and supports advanced functions like key programming, ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, and it also has 37 functions. This diagnosing machine is also very powerful and covers a wide range of vehicles. Another powerful but portable tool is Launch CRP 123E Elite. It does comprehensive car diagnosing for many car models, including engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems. This tool is smallish and very portable, but it does a wonderful job when it comes to reading codes, clearing error codes, and even doing basic reset functions. This particular tool is best recommended for smaller shops and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Which of these diagnosing machines are you currently using, and which of them would be an option for you? Subscribe to my channel because I have more educational videos coming up for you.